When it's time to get high, go to Goliath Grower's Garden. It's time to get high. Go to Goliath Grower's Garden.
What is up, YouTube? Goliath Grower here. Got a little update for ya. We are mixing up some Boogie Brew. We got the Boogie Boost Part A. Or wait, no, this is Part B. We got Boogie Boost Part A right here. We got Boogie Boost Part B right here. We got the C90 Agricultural Mineral. We got the Boogie Bricks, and we got the Boogie Black, alright? And it's basically a half cup per 5 gallons compost mix for the compost teas. You use a half a cup per 5 gallons of the A and B, and this was right here, 1 cup per 5 gallons of this stuff. Alright, and you mix it up and you put it in your little tea bag right here. And I'm going to see if I can do this. Alright, so we got our Boogie Brew all mixed up, and it's been in this tea bag for 24 hours. Looks pretty good. I pH'd it down to 6.2. That's where I like it. And we're gonna go and take this to the outdoor garden and fill it up. But yeah, that's basically all you gotta do, is fill up the tea bag full of all the goods and let it bubble for a day. Let it bubble for a day and you'll be good. Look at that. Pretty good results so far with mixing it up. It was pretty simple. So let's go water it on some plants. Alright, I got the Boogie Brew in the buckets and it is outside. So we got all of this outside now. And we put about 4 gallons into these watering pots, and we're gonna go hit some plants real quick. It's your ganja misfits!
It's time to get high.